around 8 or 10 points up for the Nifty. No great surprises there. In fact, now just cooling off a little bit into the red also. So it's very, very volatile for the for the benchmark index. Let's take a look at what the individual movers are doing. Infosys is up 1.5%. Pull up all the IT names. So Infosys up 1.5%. Pull up TCS. Pull up HCL Tech, Wipro, and Tech Mahindra. All the 5 names. Flat for HCL Tech, mind you. Tech Mahindra again flattish, 1844 odd. TCS up about 1%. Wipro again up about 1%. So that's generally the mood, about 1% for most of the large caps. In fact, HCL Tech is in the red now. That aside, there is IndusInd Bank, the other result boy in today's session, and it'll come out with a relatively strong set of numbers for sure. And IndusInd Bank is up about 1%. Ranbaxy continues its uptake. It was on the stock in news yesterday, 478 for that one and counting. Not bad going there. But that aside, it's a largely sluggish large cap end. There are some losers, yes. Coal India, after a massive run the last few days, corrects a bit. Sesa Sterlite, after a 4.5% uptick yesterday, corrects a bit. M&M slips to 883, down about 1%. And Maruti, for all the talk of the kind of uptick that it was showing, it's down, it's sub 1800 now, 1793, so down another % in the session. HDFC Bank is down about 1%. But that's largely the action in the large caps. I'm sure mid caps are more broad-based and number of stocks in news.
Oh yes, GBK Power, let's see that one, considering they are keen now to bid for the Navi Mumbai airport as well. GVK Power is holding up 2.5% up in the green for that one as well. And now the government plans to sell about 12 to 13% of Axis Bank. Axis Bank has been one beleaguered name up until now. Finally, some green, but not a constructive move there. Just about 1187 is where the stock is. IT, of course, is holding out. I just want to see what Tech Mahindra and Hexaware are up to, considering these are the mid-cap favorites. Not to forget there are others like a Persistent Systems as well, which has been quite the darling with most experts off late. Persistent as well, holding high by about 0.6%. IOC is your top notcher from the futures and options universe, 3% uptick there. Infy comes a close second, 1.6% up in the green. CESC 1.25% move. Tech Mahindra, PTC, Voltas, Apollo Hospitals and BHEL are names which are looking good. Jubilant Foodworks, another tick of red, 2.6% lower after a bad day yesterday as well. Remember, the MSCI Global Small Cap Index is ousting the stock come January 14th. So Jubilant is now at 1196. You could add a Sesa Sterlite as well to the list of losers today.